Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a product video today, myself and Lily Boo. As you know guys, I'm very particular about what products I like to feature on my channel, and this one is pretty special. Yeah, there's also going to be a discount code for you, obviously, so I'm going to nip into the forest now and let's get this video started. But it's a really special product and I've had a good play around with it. I took it away on the weekend and it's fabulous guys, so let's get started. So here's the product here guys. It's from a company called Wurkkos. It's a lamp, it is. It's got many features guys. It's pretty awesome to be honest. So the company have sent this to me guys. I didn't pay for it with my own money, but there will be a discount code at the end for you guys. It's available on Amazon for £39.99. I'm just going to do the unboxing now, which I've been asked to do, and we go through all the features and the price, etc. As I said, £39.99. So the model you're looking for is a CL01. So when you go on Amazon, type in Wurkkos CL01 and you'll find it there. It does come in various colours. I've chosen green. Obviously I've opened the box already guys, but this is an unboxing video. So there's our main product there in this velvet bag. Before you operate this guys, there's a little tab. I've taken mine off. What it does is stops the battery from making a connection. So the first thing you do is uncap it and remove the plastic sticker, so you get a connection. So that's the first thing you do. Inside this small box you get a C-type cable, both ends, to charge it up. So that's in that box there. In the velvet bag, drawstring, there's your unit there. As I said, mine's in green. I'll go through all the features with you now. But there's the logo there, Wurkkos. It's got 3 unique features that I really picked up on straight away. First of all, it's magnetic. It's got a magnetic base. It's got a screw cap so you can connect the 2 tripods. It's also got a bail on the top there for hanging up on the ridgeline, etc. It's made of tough plastic. It's waterproof and dustproof. It does come obviously with a user manual as well, so have a look through that if need be. So there's the velvet pouch there to keep it clean and tidy. So it's 550 lumens with 360-degree coverage, obviously because it's cylindrical. One button does it all. There's no other buttons to press, it's just that one there on the top. So it's a push and a dial. I'll come to all that in a minute. As I said, it's USB charging there. It's got a rubber flap over the top to keep dust and water out. I'll go through the methods again. So it's, you can hang it, you can use it say on the bonnet of your car, or you can screw it to a tripod. The battery inside, guys, is a 21700 battery. You can buy spares, and it's 5000 HA. It's a great emergency light because it's got a flashing beacon on, which I will come to very soon. It's got a glow in the dark ring there. You can't see it now, but I'm going to put a picture up for you that I took on the weekend. So when it's in your bag, in your pack, say you're setting up at night, you'll find it easily there with that. As I said, it can also be used as a power bank, which is brilliant. And the waterproof rating is 1P6 waterproof rating, so you can even connect it to the outside of your pack if you wanted to, on a piece of paracord, etc., or carabiner, because it's waterproof. Let's go through the features. So then, going through the features. So it's one press to turn on. Double press for full lumens. That's its brightest mode. You could tone and change colours there. It's like a dimmer switch. One press to turn off. 3 clicks for your colour modes. There's 9 different colour modes. Just going through them now. So there's plenty of options there. There's your beacon, or your disco mode. That was 3 clicks. And again, you can go through all the different colours just by turning the dial there. And back to disco mode. Turn the dial. Go through all the colours. So as I said, it's got 9 different colours. Take your pick. Probably for me it'll be a red light or a green light. 4 clicks is a lock mode. So that's locked there now. There's another feature. Great for barbecues, etc. So it's got many different light modes on here. Spoiled for choice, really. There we go. So I don't know if you can see that there, but I will put a picture up. So there's a ring there. That's a luminous, so you can find it easily in the dark. So let's take a look at the battery. So there's the battery there. It's a 21700 5000 milliamp. It's always good to have a spare. That's entirely up to you, but Wurkkos do supply spare batteries. Always a good idea. So when you first get the product, there'll be a sticker over there. It's an orange sticker, just to stop the connection there. To stop it going off accidentally. Because you're able to screw it into a tripod, what I'll be using it for on camp, especially if I'm hammock camping, is setting a tripod at its full height and putting it under the tarp next to my hammock. So in the night, when I need to get up to do nature's call, it's just a matter of double click and I've got illumination so I don't trip or fall. So there it is again, and what you're looking for on Amazon is the Wurkkos CL01. I will be giving you a discount code, so make sure you get that to get you discount. So there it is, guys. Pretty neat product, and as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm very picky about what products I do put on my channel. This is definitely a good addition. So there it is, guys. Highly recommend it. As I said, I tried it all weekend when we were away with the dog, Lily Boo. Absolutely fabulous. Just a tip for you. When you are storing it away, remove the battery and put it in the opposite way, so it's in the wrong way. So now it can't turn on. So that's just a little tip. Just turn the battery around. When you get to camp, obviously insert it the correct way and you have light. So that's us done, guys. So check out the website as well. Check out Wurkkos website. Many products on there, well worth having a look at. But I'll say it again, I'm very selective with what gear I take out with me. I'm very selective. So that would definitely be featured now on future videos. And you'll definitely be seeing on my hammock camps. And on my basher camps, obviously. A brilliant light all in all. And it's always good to have a power bank accessory available with it. So, you know, just remember to take your cable with you to charge up your mobile device for safety reasons. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you, Wurkkos. Thank you very much. Out!